description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that's not a noodle, but you'd find it in the same spot. This is Good Seoul with their Topokki Carbonara, which sounds pretty good. So, how do we prepare a this? It's pretty simple. Right, and we take out the not seasoning and we add in the uncooked tteokbokki. They have this like interesting, almost like alcohol scent to them when you take them out. I don't think that's what's going on, but it could be a fermentation of some sort. I really don't know. But I've always noticed when you open up the tteokbokki, whether it be like this form or when you get it out of the cold section at the market, it's always got that kind of scent to it. Alright, and we've got our vegetables. It does have fish. I guess there's a little tiny bit of fish in this. That doesn't bother me in the slightest. I'm a fan. He a fan. Where's that fill line? This national I can't find the fill line day. I found it. Don't you worry. It doesn't take a lot to fill her up either. And you give it a little bit of a swizzle. Slap the lid back on it. And it's a minute and a half at 1,000 watts. So yeah, this one goes quick. I'm still on the fence with the last one I did. I think I added way too much liquid, and if not, it was not at all as I expected. It says stir fry. It doesn't seem like stir fry. But there was no line that I missed. I filled it up to the line. Whatever. Whatever. Yeah. I don't like it when I prepare something possibly incorrectly. I'll look at my notes. It's all on www.theramenraider.com. Actually, it's on there, but it's not published even by the time you see it. Usually, what you see today comes out in like 30 to 40 days. So, I know this one is coming here in November. Wow. Are you done? Should be done. And there we are. That seemed like a long minute and a half to me. Ooh, and it exploded. Oh man. Why did you explode? Now I get to catch. Wow, it's quite a mess. 60% next time. I'm surprised. I've made a couple of these. They sent me 3 of each variety, and I made my daughter one, and I had one previously, and they didn't do this, so I don't know. Today's just not my day. But regardless, there's just a little bit less sauce for it. But it will be nuclear spice, or nuclear temperature wise hot. Oh, beep yourself. So carbonara flavored tteokbokki. There's some tteokbokki right there. That's nice. I would go as far to say it's swell. And yeah, just like with the last one, I'm adding some chashu. I'm just gonna stir it in. And that's good. It's got a nice creamy action. That's good. Rather good. If you've never had tteokbokki, it's kind of a... Yeah, we'll do that too. They're soft rice cake tubes, and it's really nice. Total comfort food. There we go. One might also say, and actually I did do that, that's right. I did the kimchi variety, and I thought, you know, this would be good with rice. So I cooked it up, and there was a lot of that, a lot more of the liquid than this one has, because, you know, it exploded in the microwave. But go. That's gonna have to get photoshopped. But I put some instant rice in there, and it came out really nice. But yeah, chashu, scallion, a little sesame seed. We're good to go. All right, rotate. Time for the last one. This is one from Topokki. I've been doing a lot of Korean stuff recently because I've gone to a lot of Korean groceries and found stuff at those, but there's gonna be more stuff coming soon. Tempura udon. Yeah, new labeling. And it's Topokki, not Otogi. Topokki is what they're calling it here in the United States now. Probably more like the correct way to pronounce it. So, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.